Hi, I hope you're doing well today. My name is Irene from Adroit Architecture. Welcome back to our channel and thank you for joining me for today's video. Over the last couple of videos, we have brought to you some apartment blocks. A lot of questions have come up from these videos. We have gotten many people asking us for a simple but classy and attractive apartment block design, one that doesn't need an elevator. In this video, we have just the right plan for you. Join me as we take a look at the H apartment. This design features simple two-bedroom apartments. Apartment H is a contemporary, medium-rise residential apartment block with a nice and classy look. This apartment block is lifted off of the ground to allow for sufficient parking for all your houses as well as your visitors. If you do not have a lot of land to work with, this is always a good way to create more usable space on the ground level. On each floor, you have 5 apartments. 3 apartments face the back of the property, while 2 apartments face the front. This allows all the apartments to enjoy good views of the surroundings as well as to receive as much natural light as possible. You have 2 staircases on each side of the apartment block to adequately serve all the apartments. Each 2-bedroom apartment has a very simple floor layout. You have the living room seated side by side with the kitchen. The living room has a nice and spacious balcony. The kitchen also has a small balcony yard. Towards the back, you have the 2 other bedrooms. The master bedroom is comfortable in size and the other bedroom can easily fit 2 single beds. The shared bathroom sits in between the 2 bedrooms. We have separated the bathroom and the toilet because these spaces are shared by the whole household. Each house has a total of 67 square meters of living space. As I mentioned before, the building is raised off of the ground to provide enough parking on the lower level. You have large underground tanks as well as rooftop tanks to adequately supply enough water for all the apartments. Integrated building service provisions are provided for each unit. This covers internet connectivity, security CCTV and access control features, and centralized TV and intercom systems. The plinth dimension or the footprint of this apartment block is 21 meters by 26 meters. This means you need at least a quarter-acre piece of land to put up this apartment block. So if you as an individual or a chama or a family would like to put up an apartment block as an investment, don't hesitate to talk to us. We are readily available to work with you and customize this apartment block to your needs and to your budget. If you have any question or query regarding this design or any other design in our YouTube channel, kindly leave a comment below. We value your support. Give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you like the content that we are bringing to you. And that is Apartment H. Thank you for joining me today. I'll catch up with you in our next video.